Good morning, friends. Good morning, friends. I just wanted to do a little screencast video to show you how you can assign interactive practice across all grade levels after you have taught your lesson. So in iReady, if you go to Assess and Teach, and then you click on Instruction, you can go to the Interactive Practice tab. So I'm going to click on that, and I can look by unit or by lesson. Over here I can click my grade level, so if I was doing kindergarten, then all the kindergarten lessons come up for each unit where they have an interactive lesson that goes along with it. So once I find the lesson that I want to do, I can click here and assign interactive practice. I can either choose to do it by the whole class, if you had a report group that you specifically wanted to assign it to, or you could assign it to specific students. So I'm in kindergarten, and I can, let's see if we can do, I do Mrs. Bates. And here's all of her students, and she can click and choose who she wants to assign it to. So if I was going to do, I could assign it to Ella and Sage and Charlotte. And then moving forward, I can pick the date that I want it to be available and give it a due date. Okay, and once I click Assign Interactive Practice, that would come up for the students in their own iReady tab. So that is how you can assign different interactive practices, and I can see that some of you have already been doing that, but if any of the rest of you want any more information on how you can assign interactive practice, just let me know. Hopefully that helps. Thanks, guys.